Carrie here from HomesteadHow. I'm a carnivore. Lily's a carnivore. Alyssa's a carnivore. And now my vegan daughter Emma's a carnivore. We have a video coming up about that. We're still working on that. And so I have to make breakfast for a whole bunch of people. And this could be just one of maybe 2 meals we eat a day. Sometimes just one meal. So I have to make a ton of food. I'm going to show you how we make a ton of food for a big family of carnivores. Not all of us. There's 2 of us that aren't carnivores, but my daughter Katie will eat this food. My wife Jen is still a vegetarian, and she's not quite eating this way yet, but here's step 1. Step 1 is getting out this, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I can barely lift this cast iron skillet. So we're going to start off with some bacon. This is crazy, but this is what I'm cooking. This is 24 eggs. There's 24 eggs in here. We got some of this. This was in the freezer, and one of the girls pulled it out. I got to use it up. This is organic ground beef from Costco. This is also some bacon from Costco, thick cut. There's a couple pieces left because the girls will make like a few pieces. And then this is another thing of bacon. The last part is going to be Kerrygold butter. Oftentimes we'll cook bacon in the air fryer, but cook them in a cast iron skillet is great because you get the oil and grease from the bacon, and then you can cook your eggs in it, and it is delicious. I prefer my ground beef crispy, almost like a smash burger, so I break it up really fine and get it nice and crispy. You get some of those crunchy pieces. Then I drain the oil off of it, and then at the very end I add a little Kerrygold butter and really crisp it up. Okay, everybody come and eat! So here's my huge family breakfast. This is 24 eggs, 24 eggs, 1.5 pounds of bacon, 1 pound of organic grass-fed ground beef, and then I have a farm fresh egg on top of it. So you get some yolk in there, some more fat. Oh, it is so good. This is like the ultimate power meal. You just take one bite of it and you feel rejuvenated, invigorated, revived, energized, motivated. It's so good. This is what we eat every day. Well, I never made anything like this before, but we eat eggs every single day, and you can cook them up multiple different ways. It's fun to slice up the bacon really small and then cook the eggs in the bacon grease. I mean, I took most of the bacon grease out and saved it as you saw in the video, but cook the eggs in the bacon grease. Emma, the camera person's taking a bite of my food right now. Emma's a vegan, turned really carnivore for, what, 11 days now? Stop eating my food. So Emma and I are doing a video together. We're finishing editing it. But you slice the bacon up, you cook it in a cast iron skillet, you save some of that bacon grease because you can cook your food in it later. But you leave some bacon grease in there, and then you scramble the eggs in the bacon grease. They're so delicious. And then I cook the ground beef in a separate pan, and then mix it all in together. This is like a protein power pack. Dude! Get your own plate. All right, I gotta go eat this before Emma takes all of mine. This is one of the things we eat. If you're a carnivore, you're thinking, what do you guys eat all the time? What can you eat? Eggs, 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 eggs. And if you can get farm fresh, they taste a million times better. Give me my fork back.